In the second quarter report on balance of payments, the National Bank of Poland revealed that Saudi Arabia has taken over from Russia as the primary source of crude oil in the country. This is the fact that most of the fuel originated from Russia has been replaced by import from Denmark, Norway and Saudi Arabia. In the second quarter of 2023, the Middle East was responsible for 49% of the oil imports, as reported by the NBP. During the analyzed period, the National Bank of Poland reports a significant boost in imports from Denmark as a result of gas supplies via recently introduced Baltic pipeline. Furthermore, the value of imports from Norway increased by over twofold compared to the previous year. This was because Norway is now more important in importing crude oil. It supplied 34% in the second quarter of 2023 and in providing natural gas and petroleum products. The National Bank of Poland also stated that the value of imported fuels and supply goods declined in the most of the second quarter. According to the National Bank of Poland, the fall in the value of fuel imports was linked to the drop in their prices. Import prices in this category were significantly lower in the second quarter of 2023 as compared to 2022, which had a major impact on the overall import price index. As per foreign trade figures, petroleum products prices experienced the most significant fall, 35% year-on-year, followed by coal, 31%, electricity, 18%, and crude oil, 12%. Meanwhile, fuel imports continued to increase, according to NBP. The increase in imports of coal and petroleum products compared to the previous year was the main reason. Additionally, the NBP reported that imports of crude oil had risen by almost 8% year-on-year.